Hello everyone, I am Sourav and welcome on to our YouTube channel on its school. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can solve old name problem when you sharing a YouTube video link that was renamed. But before starting this video, if you never subscribe our channel yet, subscribe must the channel and press the bell notification icon on all. Here you can see that link is showing same name as YouTube showing. But after rename the video, that link is not showing latest name that was updated by us. To update that link, simply open an website developers.facebook.com/tools/debug. Here before debug button, simply paste your YouTube video link. After pasting your YouTube video link, simply click on debug button. On next page, you will get that type of interface. Here you will get all detail of your YouTube video. Here you will get an option time scrapped. With that option you will get scrapped again button. Simply click on it. After that you will see when you are pasting that YouTube video link, latest name of that video will be showing on Facebook. So that's enough for our today's video. Don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching.